Hello teacher, in today's interpretation, I'm gonna use a small note, a piece of note paper like this, to better remember the number in this interpretation. And I also will put the note right here so you can see it when I'm interpreting. So let's start. Note, read and note taking. Hello everyone, most of us learned reading when we was 5 years old. However, many of us realize the importance of reading until we go to work and we have to deal with massive amount of documents in a very short time. There are 3 factors deciding our reading. The first one is the reading speed. The next one is the selection of your reading material. And the last one is note-taking. So let's start with the first factor, your reading speed. So for this, a small test was done with a 600-word document for different people. Some need 6 minutes to finish and some just need 40 seconds. So let's check yours. If you are able to read less than 250 words a minute, you're gonna need to listen to my advice today. So the first thing you need to do is to practice with your eyes muscle. So you're gonna move your eyes from right to left, from top to the bottom, and then move to diagonal lines. Try to make it faster and faster. The next thing you need to do is to reduce the time that you stop by each word. So by each 2 words, you're gonna start for 1.5 seconds. So you're gonna increase the number of words to 3, 6, and then a line, and then just stop for 1 second. The next thing is to improve your reading comprehension. So let's count how many words you can read in 1 minute, and then do another minute, and this time try to increase the number of words you can read up until, and then keep practicing until you can reach to the speed of 500 words a minute. If you practice this about 20 minutes every day, you're gonna see the clear result after a month. The second factor is your reading material selection. You're gonna choose this by your reading purpose and the available source. There are also other criteria for you to decide. For example, is the book up to date? Who are the authors? Or the persuasive style or not? Or the proofs in the book, subjective or objective. The third factor is note-taking. So imagine you are reading a very thick book in the library and you are unaffordable to copy the whole book, or even if you own the book, you should take note to better focus, active, and systematic with your thinking. There are some ways to take note. The first one is to make an annotation of the important ideas and annotate them on the margin of the page. The next way is to summarize the ideas, the important ideas in the book, become using your own words. By this way, you're gonna make the knowledge of the book become your own knowledge. The last way is to make a map. This is the most especially effective way of note-taking. You're gonna put the key ideas in the central, and then you have the branch comes from the central. This is called the spider net map or branch.